What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Tim10FX here again. So guys, happy new year once again. This is my second video in 2025, and I'm so glad to be sharing this strategy with you. My thought process, how I take my setup. I've been taking my setup lately this year, so that's what I want to do in this video. So guys, if you are watching this video for the first time, you can do well to join the family, to click the subscribe button, because you are going to be learning a lot from this video. So watch till the end to get the whole details on this strategy. It's a very simple strategy that I use. Like this trade now, I sent down on my free telegram. This trade gave us about 1 to 8 risk to reward, but I didn't take the full risk to reward. I just took my position. I closed my position at around 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. So you can see I use the same setup for these two trades. So now what is this setup all about? Let me just explain to you. So what I just need price to do is for price to be either bullish or bearish. Let me use bullish as an example here. You can see price created higher high right now, right here. So after seeing the high, what I just need to do is I need to see an higher high that broke a structure to the upside like this. After seeing this break of structure right here, now I now need the price to sell lower, something like this, breaking like a change of character, price changing character right here. So after price change character right here, all what I need for price to do is for price to just pull back into this zone, then sell down. This is in a selling scenario if I want to sell. So now I will have to just mark out this point. I'll mark out this point as my point of interest, waiting for price to come to that point, to my point of interest, and sell down. So in this case, if I want to take this trade, I will put either my limit order right here, then my stop loss will just be above this high, and my take profit can be below this low, something like this. This is just the model I'm trading. It's just as simple as ABC. So let me show you on the chart the trade I took. So here's the trade I took. I waited for price to push up, come down, then price broke structure right here. Price broke this structure to the upside. Then price now came down lower. Price came down lower and created a change of character. And guys, mind you, what I always tell my students, my value change of character must be with a candle close. Do you understand? So after seeing this change of character here, all I need for price to do is to pull back to this my zone. A lot of people call it QM level, Quasimodo. So all I just need for price to come to this zone, then I enter my sell right from this zone, just right here. I should have entered my sell right here, and my SL will just be above this high. Then take profit will be at a significant level, probably somewhere here. You understand? But if I do it like that, you will see that my risk to reward will be, this is just about 1 to, this is about 2.6 1 to 2.6 risk to reward. My risk to reward will be small. So what I always used to wait for other confirmations. Like right here, I waited for this. Let me zoom out for you to see. Right here, you can see a lot of weak rejection right here. A lot of weak rejection, then a bearish engulfing. And after I saw that, I entered for my sell, and price started moving. And like you all know me, I love setting break even very fast, guys. So I set my break even, and price, I took my profit around this place. I think I took my profit around this place. So that is just all about that trade. So the next trade I took is this trade I took right here. So the same, I'm using the same pattern. I saw price move down. Let me pick this out. Alright. So I saw price, price have been bearish, then price came up, it, it broke structure here, it broke structure. After price broke this structure, this blue line to the upside, then it came down to break another structure right here, which is a change of character. After changing character, all I waited for is price to pull back to my zone right here. And after price pull back to my zone, I decide to short the market, to sell. My stop loss will just be above this recent high. My stop loss will be above this recent high, then I short the market. So, and it actually play well also. My stop loss should be somewhere around here. It actually play well also, giving me about 1 to less than 1 to 8 risks to reward, or something, 1 to 2 risks to reward, something like that. Yeah, like 1 to 2 risks to reward. So after taking this trade, now the next day I saw another trading opportunity. I saw another setup that I was very happy to take. So I saw another setup just right here. Now the same pattern, this everything is just the same. If you notice this, you will notice that there is a break of structure to the upside here. Then price came down, broke this low. After breaking this low, price pulled back. I took my entry, but this setup I didn't send it to my free telegram. I took it personally because a lot of things that a lot of people taking signal do wrong is, sometimes if someone take a trade and then send it out, I always like my trade to be like, okay, when I take the trade, if it's still around the zone that I took the trade, then I will send that. But if price have moved a bit in profit, I don't like to send that kind of trade out again. The other side, except in some rare case. So price moved very very fast here after seeing this candlestick here, this one. Price moved very very fast, so I decided not to send the signal out, and it gave me about 1 to 8 risks to reward. You understand? I took this trade. So you can do well to join my free telegram if you want to be enjoying free trading setup like this. Now, this doesn't mean it's going to be working every time. No. There are some days that you will have losing trades. There are some days that it will not just work. Do you understand? Now, this is an example of a day that the setup did not work. Now, this setup, we saw a break of structure to the upside here. After seeing this break of structure, you can extend your horizontal line. After extending it, we wait for a change of character, which happened right here. A change of character. Then we are expecting price to come to this zone, and we are expecting a good reaction. Now, if I would have, because I didn't take this trade, I was not on the chart when this happened. If I am to take this trade, I will just enter. I can set my limit order right here, set my limit order around here, put my SL above this high, then I can target this low. You can see this is like a 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio, and price ended up hitting stop loss. So it's going to be happening at times, but if you can manage your risk and watch out for more confluence, because I don't just enter. If you notice all this trade I'm saying I enter, there's some particular thing I see before I enter. That's why I win more. There's some particular thing I have to see. So guys, this will bring us to the end of this video. You can add your confluence. I have my own personal confluence I'm using. So if you found value in this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. Share with your loved ones, your friends. Do you understand, guys? So I will be hoping to see you next week. I post video twice in a week, on Friday afternoon and on Sunday. So on Friday afternoon will be raw talk about forex trading, how to be profitable, what you are doing wrong, and all. Do you understand? So one more time, do well to click the subscribe button if you enjoy this sort of content, and I would love to see you in my next video, guys. And do well to comment below if there's anything you want me to talk about in my next video. Do well to use the link in the description to join my free telegram if you want to enjoy free trading signals like this. And The broker I'm using to trade synthetic indices is Deriv. The link will be in my description below if you want to enjoy, if you want to sign up with the broker I use. You understand? So catch you guys in my next video. I don't want this video to be too long, but obviously a 10-minute video, it's worth it. See you guys in my next video.